Is a low FICO score preventing you from living your best life? Now, I remember at one point I had a very low credit score. My credit score was in the dumps. I probably had about a 550, 560 credit score, couldn't get financed for anything. I was actually getting job offers rescinded. Yes, this is a true story. I had job offers lined up, but once I went through that security clearance check where they pull your credit and they saw that I had collections, wasn't paying my student loans, those job opportunities were rescinded. Now, the same thing happens in your personal life when it comes to renting an apartment or buying a home or financing a car at a good interest rate, or even business opportunities. You have that new business idea and you need $100,000 from the bank, but because your credit score is not good, you're unable to tap into those resources. You're unable to access capital markets. Now, if that's the case, we got a solution for you. You don't have to be ashamed or embarrassed about having a low credit score. And we've helped dozens and dozens of subscribers increase their credit score. So I want to show you another example. As you can see right here, your FICO score, not Vantage score, but FICO score increased by 206 points. So let's click on and see exactly what happened. So as y'all can see, this was on January 29th, 2025. Their credit score increased 206 points to a 718. That means they were at a 512 credit score. So let's take a look at the dispute results to see what resulted in this huge 200+ point FICO score increase. Now, as y'all can see right here, we have two JP Morgan Chase credit cards that were removed off their credit report. Now, you only see two accounts. So why is it that they saw a 200+ point increase just from two credit cards being removed? Because I've shown you guys examples in the past where we saw 200 point increases, but this is multiple items, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items being removed. Now, one thing you have to remember is that a big component of your credit score is going to be the outstanding debt. So this shows you before and after. All right. So let's take a look at before. So this was a JP Morgan account. This was a Chase credit card. And let me give you some context to this, because one thing that we see a lot right now, and this is what everyone on social media is promoting. I'm not mad at it because Chase is giving out a bag right now. Just keep in mind, when you get these high limits, $50,000, $60,000, $75,000 credit cards, you need to have the ability to repay. But it's not the end of the world, because you can still get this removed off your credit report. So as y'all can see, this balance was as of 11/20/2024. So they owed about $69,511, of which $64,607 was past due. So think about this. If this is reporting on your credit, this amount of debt is going to lower your credit score. And especially because this is a revolving credit card, you're going to have a very high utilization. I don't know all the details about this, but I'm going to assume that this was a business credit card that went delinquent and then reported on the personal credit. So that's just one thing you got to be aware of. I know a lot of people are promoting, 0% funding, get the Chase, run the Chase play. I've seen it all over social media, but this is the side that people don't want to tell you about, is when you owe $60,000, $70,000 on the credit card and you can't repay it. You don't have the ability to repay. Then you get in this situation where this is going to report on your personal credit. So as y'all can see, this was a relatively new credit card, 60, 90, 120, 150. All right. Now, this could be a situation where, a business plan didn't work out, or, maybe you just, things happen, right? Mind you, right now, this is not reporting on the credit report. So we were able to get this deleted off their credit report. Imagine that let's just say $65,000 worth of credit card debt removed off of the credit report. So it was closed as of November 2024. They owed $64,607, right? So I just showed you one of them. Again, another card deleted off the credit report. So let's check out what was before. So this one, not too bad. Now, right now, millions of Americans are facing record debt, and this is due in part because of inflation and the economy. So if you find yourself with a low credit score right now, it's not the end of the world. One thing you have to keep in mind is that credit can be repaired, restored, and rebuilt. You don't have to wait 7 years for items to drop off your credit report. We are able to get most items off of your credit report within 60 business days. And right now, we have a Valentine's Day special where we're offering a discounted rate. So if you're looking to improve your credit and get a fresh start, what I need you to do is click the link in the description of the video or call us at our 800 number. Speak with a representative. We can walk you through your credit profile and map out a game plan to get you on the right track. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Let me know your comments and questions. Until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.